everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie, and for those of you who are new here, hi, how are you? So glad to have you. And let's take a moment for you to hit that subscribe button, and remember to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when I've uploaded a video. For those of you who are still here, awesome, glad to have you be a part of my channel. And if y'all are ready, let's get started.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again.
Is it just me, or do I have too many pillows on the bed? But I like them and they fill the bed, so I figured the more I have, the better it looks, and it adds a lot of character.
It's you, right next to you.
I was wondering about this throw blanket. Should it stay or should it go? I'm not sure how to incorporate it with the bed, but I feel like it looks nice, or maybe it needs to be a different colored blanket, or the other ones that I've seen in magazines with larger tassels on the end, or a crochet. Let me know in the comments.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you.
I wanted to show y'all these books. These are very inspirational books. They had definitely helped me, and I would recommend all of these to you. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box below.
With me, took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you.
Okay, do y'all see the tag on the lamp? Totally forgot to take it off. It's been brand new for a while.
Singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody
I just couldn't believe the amount of dishes that were in my sink. I feel like dishes are never ending. What chores are never ending for y'all in your house? Mine are dishes and laundry. It seems that I just keep going back to them constantly.
We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Do y'all like to wash your dishes by hand, or would you rather throw everything in the dishwasher and call it a day? If the dishwasher's full, then I can just go ahead and start scrubbing more dishes by hand, because honestly it's faster for me, and you know that it's getting a good clean. My oldest son was ready to jump in. He was on standby and noticed that my dishes were piling up, so he came over and was ready to dry all the dishes for me. For sure, teamwork makes the dream work.
But I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know a thing. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh.
You guys, this rack right here is awesome. This is the roll-up dish drying rack from Amazon. It's a durable silicone. It's easy to clean, easy to roll up and put away in your cabinet. I'll be sure to leave a link in my description box below.
I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream.
Can y'all tell me what I can put in this clear jar? My husband had asked me earlier, why do you have a clear jar sitting on the counter? And I told him, I was like, I haven't thought of what I could put in it yet. So, what do y'all think I should put in it? Let me know in the comments.
Is that my mug? Got tea in it?
My husband wants his mug of tea.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned.
I bet y'all are very curious as to why I have so many chicken eggs sitting in a bowl on a counter right here. Well, that's from our little farm out back. And the bowl next to it is from our ducks. Let me tell you, eating fresh eggs is the best thing that you can have. Aside from us eating it, we also sell them and we give to our family and friends.
Let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a. Love me like a. Love me like a. Love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird singing for believers, a song meant to be heard, but never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea. What will be, will be. Wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, throwing melody. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a. Love me like a. Love me like a. Love me like a stranger.
When I'm cleaning my kitchen area, I'll leave the sweeping for last because usually when I'm cleaning my countertops or the tabletop, I'll push off all the crumbs to the floor. That way it just makes it an easier cleanup.
Thought you really loved me, guess I was wrong. Thought you'd never leave me, guess I was dumb.
Okay, I had to take a moment. It is tough cleaning. I'm looking at the time and I'm like, yeah, I can do this. I can do this. Started at 3. It is 7:12. Thank the good Lord I finished, but y'all, I was cleaning for 4 hours. 4 hours. Thank God we could speed up this video, huh? Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a little motivation and inspiration to clean your home. Remember, you don't have to get it all done in one day. You can do it in sections and still accomplish cleaning your home. If you like this video, please sure to give it a thumbs up. That would really help out my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when I've uploaded a video. Until next time, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you back here with a brand new video. Bye.